4 new satellites which will be launched in 2020 and 2022. These are very high resolution satellites, 30 centimeter resolutions. They will have features which you don't find on any other satellites. We have come very much further in terms of manufacturing of the satellites. The first batch is well on track. We have signed the launcher a few months ago. We have taken all the last technical decisions you had to take. It's really well advanced, and now we are on the last run to get this finalized. To the world that we took the decision to have laser terminals on these satellites, which will enable fast tasking and huge download capacity for the satellites. So we are changing really the way we will operate these satellites, and we hope to make a big success with it.